LinkedIn is a mass social platform for professionals and businesses looking for information to discover business partners, find new career prospects, and make decisions on various business and professional issues. In this marketing course, you will be able to understand the aspects and benefits of LinkedIn to develop a proper presence on the platform, promote the development of your business and professional plans, and connect with potential customers and prospective partners and employees. On the second part of the course, we will discover AI-powered lead generation, where algorithms identify and categorize potential connections based on your target audience criteria. We will dive into AI-enhanced content creation, crafting posts that resonate with your connection, preferences, and interests. Explore automated posting schedules driven by predictive analytics, ensuring your content reaches the right people at the right